Hey guys, it's super late at night and I was inspired today by my little boy. It's been raining for a few days now and he has been asking me to read him his favorite book of all time. This is the book. It's called Rain Brings Frogs. The reason I wanted to read it and share it was because he has the kind of attitude just like his dad where everything, he sees the good in everything and he's optimistic about everything. And his dad right now is in the hospital fighting leukemia for the 4th time. And I just wanted to showcase some of their super optimistic spirit, and I think that this book embodies that. So, for a rainy day, it's Rain Brings Frogs, and it's by Marianne Coca Leffler. I hate rain, Mom says. Nate says, rain brings frogs. When Ben says, not enough, Nate says, enough to share. When his sister says, it's so ugly, Nate says, it's so warm. When Charlie says, keep out, Nate says, room for all. When Dad says, mud, 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 Nate says, rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. When Casey says, I lost, Nate says, I finished. When Liz says, I need more, Nate says, I need one. That's one of my favorite pages. When his friends say, nothing to do, Nate says, enjoy the view. When everyone says, we see clouds, Nate says, behind the clouds, I see sun. And that's totally the awesome attitude that both my son and my husband, he got it from him, have. And I just wanted to share that with you today. Hopefully it brings you some hope and just to have a better perspective at life no matter what's going on. Bye.